बोल रहे तेरे बारे में for God's sake। देख यार मैं तेरे को लेने आया हूँ।
मैं नहीं आऊंगा।
क्यों?
नहीं आऊंगा मतलब नहीं आऊंगा ना, बोला नहीं आऊंगा।
I still remember when I was in the peak of my pre-production in Arjun Reddy, उड़ता पंजाब का ट्रेलर रिलीज हुआ था। Pride in me like I hope this guy did Arjun Reddy।
साहब वो हाथ से फिसल गया साहब। नहीं
Protagonist's character was acclaimed so much that I was just curious to see the film and I loved it.
Shut off!
Fear was not to take something that's been loved and liked so much and not be able to do justice to it.
उन्होंने पूरा अपने आप को उसमें अडेप्ट कर लिया और थिन लुक चाहिए थी तो उन्होंने थिन लुक करी, स्टबन लुक चाहिए थी स्टबन लुक करी। देख रहे
Ideally, it would have been nice to shoot it linear, but because Sandeep had already shot Arjun Reddy, finished the portion with the hair and the beard first, shoot the part where there's hair and no beard, and then shoot the college part. Would have to take like a 4-month break to be able to get into the next look. So yeah, so I think that was much more difficult to do.
Shahid plays angsty characters really well and we've seen that with his other performances. And it's really funny because Shahid is a complete masti nautanki.
You know till the time you don't go, I won't be able to go na. I'm not good with goodbyes. मर रहा हूँ क्या मैं?
The beautiful thing about Kabir Singh for me is that he has a very beautiful heart. He's too pure.
It's a 3 hours film and if you see there's not even one scene or a shot.
The director is so moved by my close-up. Can't stop crying.
आई थिंक ये फिल्म शाहिद कपूर ही इसका बेस्ट काम कर सकते थे क्योंकि जिस तरीके की फिल्म शेप अप हुई है।
You know what a fucking DD is? It's the worst thing for your fucking heart because of you. Fuck.